all fantastic cartoon characters there. And do you know what we're going to do? Throughout this series of Art Attack, we are going to start with a blank sheet of paper and we are going to create our own original cartoon character. So, okay, where do you start? Well, the one thing all those cartoon characters had in common is they've all got great facial expressions. And you know, you don't have to be a great artist to create great facial expressions. All you need are 2 eyebrows, 2 eyes, and a mouth. Just keep it very simple and watch what you can do with a face just using these 3 things. Okay, well, let's keep the eyebrows the same and the eyes. Let's just move the mouth. Look what happens when you give it a nice big grin. Suddenly, the whole face explodes into life. All right, well, let's keep that smile there. Nice big wide smile. And let's keep the eyes the same. And let's alter those eyebrows and see what happens there. Just bring them down a bit. Suddenly, that big cheesy grin turns into a menacing smile. Now, the idea is to just keep it really simple. Do you know who the best person is to teach you how to draw facial expressions? Yourself. All you need is your own face and a mirror, and it's a case of looking in the mirror and seeing what your facial features are doing. For instance, what about your eyebrows? Do they go up or down? Your eyes? Wide or narrow? And your mouth? Smiley or down in the dumps? And just keep looking in the mirror and drawing what you see. So let's try a few of these features then. What about sad? Well, what happens to my face when I'm sad? Well, the eyebrows, they go up in the middle. The eyes stay the same, and the mouth down at each end. So let's draw that. The eyebrows up. There's the eyes. And there is one very sad mouth. Good one. Let's try another one. What about shock? Eyebrows shot up in an arc. So I'll do that. Eyes, very wide. And what about the mouth? Very wide. And there it is. Shock. And you just keep going, looking in the mirror and drawing what you could see. Keep practicing. Practice on other people. If you see someone on the bus, draw them on the back of your bus ticket. Just keep practicing. And next time, we will design our own original cartoon character.